Hey YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is me, India, and I am back with another video. Okay, so this video will just be a simple get ready with me containing makeup and hair, how I get ready for school every day. I think I did a video like this, and I don't know, I just decided to do another one. This is going to be called the rainy days, because lately it's been raining in Baltimore. It's been raining for like the past 3 days. Okay, and it was just horrible. Like, I washed my hair and straightened it and got caught in the rain and it poofed up. So I said, you know what? I'm not going through this every day. I just simply put a headband on and poofed it up myself, because I ain't got time. So if it do hit the rain and poof up, all I have to do is brush it out. I don't have time for this. So yeah, I used my Revlon Nearly Naked foundation in 260 Caramel. I love this foundation. I'll be doing a video on this foundation as well as the CoverGirl Queen collection, to do like a little battle of the foundations type thing. There's plenty of videos of that on here already, but I just want to add my 2 cents in it. Okay, I did not film what was on my lips. I'm sorry. I have Nika K's lipstick in pink tint. Is it gonna focus? There it is, in pink tint, and it looks like this straight out of the tube. Yep, looks like that. And looks like this on the lips. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. That was my laptop shutting off. I usually, when I get ready for school, I do my hair, but this is how I've been rocking it for the past couple of rainy days. And for makeup, I just do light foundation and some concealer with, you know, a highlight. And I put, oh, you can't really see it. I'm gonna have to do it again. I put a thin layer of my eyeliner on the bottom waterline, because I don't really like to put a lot on it. That's why you really can't see it on camera. But if I back up here, you can see it, which is weird. But yeah. And I put mascara on. I don't do my eyebrows. I put blush on, and sometimes I might put a lipstick on, sometimes I don't. If I have on black or some other color that I feel goes well with my gold earrings, I wear them. They are gold. I don't know if the camera is making it look silver, but they are gold. And that's pretty much it. I don't like to do a whole lot when I go to school, because I'm just going to class. If I have to sing for something, then maybe. Oh yeah, for my edges, I just like my edges to be a little bit laid, but for some reason they don't really take with the edge control that I have. You know, the olive oil. I don't know, they like kind of curl up, but that's fine too. I like that look too. I usually use gel, but I don't like to put gel on my hair a lot, because, you know, it makes it hard and crunchy. You know, I got time for that hard crunchy hair. So so yeah, that's usually what I do. I might, depending on how I feel, may or may not put eyeliner on my top lid, and usually I use my Maybelline cream or gel liner, whichever one you prefer to call it. And I think it's called In the Black is Black, just like the mascara. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, my eyebrows are getting bushy. I'm gonna have to do them so they don't look this thick, because I look like a boy to me. But yeah, alright, I'm gonna shut up and get to this clip, y'all. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Mwah. I love y'all. Bye.
You are listening to a website.